You've got food, you've got water, you probably even have flashlights, first aid stuff, and batteries. But there's one prep that almost every prepper overlooks, and it could make or break everything else when things go wrong. I will tell you what it is and how to set it up in this video. Hello, I'm Michael with Asymmetrical Preparedness, and thank you very much for allowing me to be part of your day. This is another episode of my One Step Closer series, posting every Thursday, where I help you to take one small step toward being better prepared, more confident, and more capable, without fear or paranoia. We all focus on water, food, and gear. And whereas those are critical, when I talk with other preppers, there is one thing that's almost always missing in their preparedness plan. If you forget this one, all the rest of your preps might not matter. The number one prep most people forget is join our email list to find out. Just kidding. But seriously, go to asymmetricalpreparedness.com, scroll to the bottom, add your email to be added to the email list so you don't miss out on updates and special insider information. Okay, the number one prep I've been talking about is a prepper notebook, documentation, and information. Things like paper copies of contact lists, medical information, including paper copies of prescriptions, and instructions for gear. All in one place, all on paper, not in your phone. We rely on our phones for everything, but when the grid goes down and the cell towers don't work, or your phone gets smashed, broken, or dies, you lose access to all that information. Here's how to fix that issue right now. Get a 3-ring binder and some of those zippered sleeves for it. Write out a contact list of everyone you might need to contact. Medical information, including allergy notes and paper copies of prescriptions, like I mentioned. Include instruction manuals for things like generators, stoves, radios, etc. Also keep instruction manuals for anything you think you might need. That's what those zippered pockets are for. Also have maps of your area, copies of birth certificates, social security cards, marriage licenses, IDs, and any other important documents you feel need to be in there. Also include copies of your emergency plans, your bug out plans and routes, radio frequencies, things like that. This may take a little time, but it'll give you peace of mind that you can't just buy. When everyone else is scrambling around looking for stuff, you'll be ready with all your documents in one portable binder, ready to go at a moment's notice. That's what real preparedness looks like. Not fear, not panic, just smart and prior planning. If this helped you take one more step towards true preparedness, please give the video a thumbs up, scroll over and hype the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more One Step Closer videos every Thursday. Love you guys, have a wonderful day, and blessings to you and yours.